Greetings, Earthlings. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick comparison between the Cathedral Pipes Durham, the Cloudlifter CL1, and the brand new SE Electronics Dynamite. Now, the requester of this test is actually the very first member of the Podcastage YouTube membership program thingy, and it is Heather, the host of the Sunshine and Power Cuts podcast. So thank you very much, Heather, and if any of you do want to become a member, I will throw a link in the description down below. Now, for this test, I'm going to be running the Samson Q2U in XLR mode into the Steinberg UR12. Then I will go ahead and switch between all three of these to see which one requires the least amount of gain and to see if any of these color the audio at all. Okay, now I'm about 3 inches off of the Samson Q2U running directly into the Steinberg UR12. My input gain is set at about 2 o'clock, and I am hitting around -9 decibels at my peaks on the meter, and this is how the audio sounds. And I will also go ahead and shut up so you can hear the noise generated with this microphone running directly into the UR12. Okay, I'm still about 3 inches off of the Q2U, but I have turned on the phantom power of the UR12, and I am running through the Cloudlifter CL1, which costs around $150. I was able to drop my gain on the UR12 down to about 9 o'clock, and this is how it sounds, and I'll go ahead and shut up so you can hear the noise again. Still about 3 inches off of the microphone, but now I am running through the Cathedral Pipes Durham, and I had to drop my gain all the way down to 0, and I am still hitting around -9, maybe -12 decibels on my meter. So this mic activator with this interface gives you a very hot signal, and you won't have much granularity if you need to go much quieter than this. But I will go ahead and shut up so you can hear the background noise. Okay, still about 3 inches off of the Q2U, but now I am running through the SE Electronics Dynamite. I had to keep my gain at absolute 0 on the UR12 again, because if I go any hotter or if I were to get closer to this microphone, I would begin to clip. So with this pairing, you are again getting a very hot signal, and you would have to practice very good microphone technique, but I will shut up so you can hear what kind of noise it has. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit more of a scientific measurement of the different gain required by the UR12 preamp, depending on which of the mic activators we're using. And the way I'm going to be doing that is by using a method that I learned from Julian Krause, which I will link in the upper corner, and I'll just be showing you the measurement of the preamp noise floor on its own, followed by the preamp noise floor when we are running any of the mic activators in front of it. Now, the conclusion that I have here is absolutely one of these mic activators will really improve the noise floor of your preamp, because the UR12 does seem to have a high noise floor once you get above 75% on the dial. When it comes to the amount of gain offered by these mic activators, the Cloudlifter did seem to offer the least. It was barely the least, but it did offer the least amount of gain. The second most was the Cathedral Pipes Durham, and the one that won out by offering the most amount of gain was the SE Electronics Dynamite, but it was just by a hair that it beat the Cathedral Pipes Durham. And lastly, when it comes to the coloration added to your signal by any of these microphone activators, it is so subtle, if at all there, that I don't think anybody would be able to tell the difference between the mic activator you're using, especially once you start running your signal through any kind of processing, compression, EQ, de-essing, anything. So I guess what it comes down to is if you're running the Q2U into the UR12, I honestly don't think that the mic activator you choose is going to make a huge difference in your sound quality. It is so incredibly subtle of a difference, especially when you start compressing it down to an MP3, that you should just go with whichever one is in your budget. All right, well, that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. If you want more videos, you can subscribe to the main channel, which is just youtube.com/podcastage. Now, if you do have a test or a scenario that you want me to run through in a video on this channel, I do that for all the members of the Podcastage channel, and I will throw a link to become a Podcastage member in the description down below. I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.